Good morning. This is my breakfast. Old-fashioned oats, honey, almond milk. Actually, this is my pre-breakfast because one thing about it, not pre-breakfast, what am I even saying? This is breakfast. And then I'm gonna have brunch later on. I don't know. This is 2 weeks starting my workout routine consistently. I'm already seeing changes, like the bloating was just out of hand. But then it's now summer, and if y'all were on my Tandy Effect channel last year, you would know that in the summer I had such a weird allergic reaction to something. I don't know, it was weird. Like I was just having hives, welts all over my body. And I fear it's coming back. Look at my lip. Look at that. Swollen. And something amazing is about to happen on Monday. Like I don't need to be sick. I have a cold right now, but that's okay. I am trying to get myself out of a rut, which is the purpose of today's video. I'm so glad. Yesterday I was feeling so lonely. That's the other thing about living on your own, right? Like there's just this deep loneliness and you don't know who to call, who to text. And typically on the weekend, everybody's trying to relax, trying to do their own thing. So they're not really checking for me like that. But I was like, you know what, let me get up, let me clean my spaces, let me do 1, 2, 1, 2, bath my baby. I went to sleep, and this morning I feel okay. Like, it'll all pass, feel it, go through the motions, you'll be okay. I need to put this away. Let me get my daughter some fruit. Oop. That squirted out so fast, child. Didn't even have it. I got it off of the floor. So I thrifted these jeans. Let me get them real quick. I want to turn these into shorts, like jorts. I don't want them to be too short, like up to here. I want them to be actually jorts.
It's cold, but I still walk the same way that I did.
Hello. That's a nice choice right there. You look so pretty, mamas. You have to frame the camera and mommy. Look how tall mommy is now. These are so high. What was I thinking? Where am I gonna wear these? I don't know. I fear they might be a bit too tight. I wanted them to be a bit loose. These shorts are also very much thrifted. Love them down. Love the design, the grungy look. Got this off of Shein. But I got these in Burlington. My bad. But I spilled some hot chocolate and it just won't come out anymore. So I'm gonna clean up my room, sort it out a little bit because it's looking a little and gonna go make some brunch. I'm thinking scrambled egg, everything seed toast, and maybe some Nesquik. Feeling chocolatey. I guess because of this what now my mind is just like chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. We actually have quite a lot of stuff that I want us to do together. I'm so excited. So gonna step out now. I'm still to wear my wig, but this is my outfit of the afternoon. I'm wearing my Whitney Houston t-shirt. Got this from Burlington or Ross, one of the two, I forgot. And then these white high-waist shorts that I was wearing earlier. I got these from Ross. I got this tote bag from a brand deal that I did last year. So yeah, this is the outfit of the afternoon. I'm gonna head out. Gonna go do my laundry at my parents', shout out, and also grab a couple of snacks, maybe pass by dollar store to, you know, get a few essentials like I said earlier. Yeah, I'm feeling like painting. I'm not very good at painting, but hey, it's never too late to start learning. I asked ChatGPT for an easy no-fuss vanilla cake recipe. I love ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT and we are besties. So I'm gonna bake something right now because I'm in the mood. actually gonna save this cake for my parents because my mom loves vanilla. She does not like chocolate. However, my daughter and I, we love chocolate cake. So I'm gonna make another chocolate cake and put chocolate frosting on there because why not? I'm probably gonna leave from here because it's already like 6 p.m. From here, I'm gonna go to the dollar store to get some acrylic paint and other supplies that I need for my place. And then maybe we're gonna paint tomorrow because it's already 6 p.m. I'm tired. Yeah. Oh wow. It's so fluffy. Wow. This is perfect. Sorry, put so many holes because I was trying to check. Because it was just too soft, too good to be true. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, I love this parchment paper. Because all you gotta do is lift. Yeah, the cat is screaming and making noise. It's actually supposed to cool in the pan, but I need to bake the chocolate cake now. Wow, it's so sweet.
Where's the coffee?
What happened?
Coffee.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It was really difficult putting her to sleep too. And I was on a phone call with one of my friends for like a good 2 straight hours. Time just flew by. The conversation was just flowing. Mind you, I just met this friend. Like, it was just so great. And it turns out that they're Sagittarius, like me. Literally their birthday year prior to mine, but 8 days before my birthday. I was like, this makes sense why, you know, you and I are vibing. Anyway, I think I was overstimulated from that conversation. Like, I worked out even afterwards. Then I took a shower and I was done with everything at 4 a.m. Child, my body, 1 a.m. is pushing it. I know the next morning I'm gonna be a zombie. So 4 a.m. and my body was like, okay, since you wanna play games, I'm gonna wake you up at 8 on a Sunday. I feel like a ton of bricks have hit me, and that's honestly my fault. Oh God, I'm so tired. I love this. They even tell you the colors to mix for specific colors that you want. I'm thinking of painting a sunset. Yeah, that's what the vibes are calling me to do. She ran off. But this is our daily routine. Like, she loves lahore. This is my afternoon snack. I'm gonna share this with my daughter. Seems she also really likes it. They're really good. Mandarin oranges. Here you go, baby. Nancy.
Good.
Yeah. Exquisite is even fancier than beautiful.
Duck.
Yeah. D for dog. Look at the dog. What does the dog say?
Duck.
The dog says woof woof.
Woof woof.
It barks. Look at Mama. What is Mama wearing? What's this? Whenever my friend Bria and I see one, we say bonjour. Bonjour, butterfly. We say bonjour, butterfly.
Hi, bye.
Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour is French for hello. Can you say bonjour, butterfly?
Bye.
Good girl.